coffee estate, and the owner has allowed me to roam his whole estate. Right now, I want to go and see the small stream that comes here. I want to swim there, or I want to take bath there, and look at the scene. Looks so beautiful. Have a look at the coffee plants. These are the berries, and if you take a berry, okay, and you kind of remove the pulp, very sweet. Have a look at the seeds. These are coffee beans. As I was walking, I found these soap nuts, right? So we can make soap out of this. We need a water source, so let's head down to the river. It's okay to get lost in these kind of places, and you need silence, right? You have to be lost, and you need to be with yourself for at least 3 hours a day. That's when you know who you really are. When you talk to your mind, when you talk to your body, those are your real thoughts. Like, we finally made our way to the stream that I was talking about, and I can see a pond here. I don't know how it works, but let's figure it out. There's a pond there. Oh. Those are tadpoles. This must be the way. It is the way. I should be happy because looks like I found the stream behind me. Let's go there. Okay. Woo! I don't see any spot forward. This must be the best spot. Ah, 3, 2, 1, let's go.